Eggmas, day 2. Okay, so the goal of today's video is to try to combine breakfast eggs with breakfast beverage coffee. Here's your dilemma. You want both, right? Have both at the same time. Save some time, right? I'm gonna see if I can do this. Okay, so for you coffee lovers, this is for you. You wanna combine the eggs with coffee? I don't think this is the way. Let's find a different way. I just made a big mess over here. Sweetened condensed milk. So to combine our breakfast beverage and our breakfast protein, I figure let's just do a Phe Trung. I've made this on my channel before, so it's just gonna be sweetened condensed milk. Maple sugar in this, so it's gonna be a little mapley. It'll be kind of tasty, right? We'll do the egg, but for this one, I'm gonna use egg yolk. So I'm just gonna separate the yolk from the white, and I will save these whites for another time. You don't have to throw them away. You can save them for other things, like an omelet, utilize them for making a raft. If you guys don't know what a raft is, it's something to clarify a stock. I'll tell you about it later. Also, make sure to use clean hands whenever you're working with raw egg and touching it, because this stuff can be very dangerous. You can get salmonella, stuff like that, so make sure everything's clean. Also, while I'm separating eggs, here's something I'll share if you guys don't know. Might as well share it. Maybe not everybody knows this. There's usually like this little white string that's hanging off the egg yolk. I don't know if you could see it there. That little white string is called the chalaza. And usually you want to take that membrane off. Alright, looks like it's going good here. We're almost there. So I'm kind of eyeballing it, but I'll have my exact ratios in the description down below. I have it in a blender here. Usually you can do this with a whisk in a bowl. I don't have the patience, okay? Not patient here right now. I want to get my coffee right now, so I'm just gonna mix this up. Okay, an egg cream to top off your coffee. So now all there's left to do is the coffee. I'm doing 2 cups so you guys can see the clear one and the bird one. Okay, I've got my shots of espresso here. And now we're just gonna make an Americano. So hot water. And here's something that I've noticed from you guys. A lot of you freak out when I add hot water to my espresso. Have most of y'all not heard about an Americano? Like that's a normal thing. You take your shot of espresso, you add your hot water, and that's your drink in the morning. Anyways, that's just a quick side note. Now there's our delicious looking egg cream right on top of there. Good looking cup of coffee right here. Comment down below, which one's better, the bird or the clear? Okay, also, since it's Eggmas, let's make this a little festive. I got some white sugar, put that all on top there. Now it's a brulee cup of coffee. So we got a little custardy top here, got our coffee, then a little brulee top. But hey, if you don't have a torch, you want to go a different route, this is festive too. Look, some of this peppermint chocolate right on top of my bird here. And there we go. Peppermint chocolate, egg cream coffee, and then we've got a brulee egg cream coffee. Bird or the clear cup. This looks really freaking good. I like to mix mine around. That's freaking delicious. Yeah. What time is it? It's 8:30. Okay. I'm doing this for you guys. 8:30, drinking coffee. Sure. Ooh. The peppermint one's really good too. I don't know what I'm gonna do for the next Eggmas. This is Eggmas day 2. Look what I've got. So stay tuned for day 3 tomorrow. Let me know in the comments down below what you want to see. This is really good though. Smash like, subscribe.